The perimeter of the figure formed when squares of side 2 cm are cut off from all four corners of a rectangle of dimension 15 cm and 10 cm. Let us try to understand what this question means. So what they are saying is that you take a rectangle of dimension 15 cm and 10 cm. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And then what you do is you take out squares of side 2 cm from it. So 2 cm squares I am chopping off. Mr. Satya,
Yes, sir.
do you like these questions or not?
Yeah, so the perimeter one.
No, do you find these questions interesting or not?
Yeah, they're interesting.
Yeah. So the thing to remember is that do not consider these to be difficult questions. Just find them interesting. If you find them interesting, then you will try to do them. If you find them difficult, then you won't like doing them. These are pretty interesting questions. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Pretty interesting questions. So find the perimeter of the figure formed when squares of side 2 cm are cut off from all four corners of a rectangle of dimension 15 cm into 10 cm. Okay, Mr. Sarthak, how should we do this?
So we'll find out the area of the whole rectangle.
Okay.
So that will be 15 into 10, so 150 centimeters square.
Okay.
And then we'll find out area of one of the squares and multiply it by 4.
But you need to find the perimeter of the figure formed. Have you understood? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir. I thought it was area.
No. Okay. So if it is perimeter, how should we do this question? Okay. So let's spend 2 minutes to understand. See, 15 centimeter is the total length. 15 centimeter is from here to here. But because I have chopped off this, so the only length that I am left with is here to here. Do we agree to this or not? This is the only length that I am left with. Do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarda, can you tell me what will be the length? This new length. This new length, what will be the length?
15 minus 4.
15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11 centimeter. Do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this total length from here to here, this total length, the total length is 10 centimeter. Because I have chopped off 2 centimeter from here and chopped off here 2 centimeter from here, Mr. Sarthak, can you tell me what will be the length? What will
10
be this?
4, 6.
6 centimeter. Shabash. Are we clear till here?
Yes, sir.
And that is why I am trying to tell you that this is a pretty interesting question. Now, if you understand, this is the figure that we will be left with. This is how the figure will look like. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir. So I understood the question is now.
Okay. Now, can you tell me how to find the perimeter?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we'll find the perimeter of
Yeah. Shabash.
find
Shabash.
perimeter with the new dimensions.
Yeah. How to find that?
So first it will be 11, then plus 2 and plus 2,
Shabash.
and then plus 6 and then plus 2 plus 2,
Shabash.
and 11, then plus 2 plus 2, and then again 6.
Shabash. Shabash. So the simple way is this is 11. This is 11. So you have 2 11s. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we have 2 6s. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me how many 2s do we have, Mr. Sarthak?
8.
8. Shabash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 22 plus 6 to the 12 plus 16. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So 22 plus 12 is 34. 34 and 16 would be 50. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
6, 8, 10 and 1, 2, 4, 5. So this would be the final answer. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
See, this perimeter one is interesting, but if we had to, similarly we can find the area also, and area is as per what you have done. How did you find the area? Say for example I had to find the area of this, the new figure. How to find the area, Mr. Sarthak?
Yes, sir. So we'll find out the area of the whole rectangle.
Shabash.
So 15 to 10, 150.
Shabash.
And we'll find the area of one of the squares and multiply it by 4.
Shabash. Shabash. So area is actually easier to find. Mr. Sarthak, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So area is simple because area would be 15 into 10 centimeter square minus of 4 into 2 to the 4. So this will be 150 minus 16. 10 6 the 4, 4 1 the 3, 134 centimeter square. This is the answer that you had got, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
So this 134 centimeter square is the area of this figure. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
So Sarthak, what you can do is you can do this question again, find the perimeter of the figure formed. You can do this question again. Any other question that you couldn't do previously?
No, sir.
So just try to do this question again. This is a good question. Any confusion in these formulas?
No, sir.
Okay, so would you be able to do the next exercise from your book?
Yes, sir.
I think it is of circles.
No, sir. That's the third exercise.
What is the second exercise?
So I'll just check.
Yeah. Parallelogram. Okay. So you can do questions from parallelogram, and we'll discuss the interesting questions next time. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sarthak.